The Myoma Amateur Music Association was founded in Mandalay in 1925. It was scheduled to perform at the Thingyan festival for its centennial, but it has suspended all of performances since the March 28 earthquake.
I'm really sorry. We want to perform, but we cannot at this time.
Myoma is the oldest traditional musical troupe in Myanmar.
We may have to wait 2 to 3 years to enjoy a Myoma performance at the Thingyan festival.
The streets of Mandalay were quiet this Thingyan, as people mourned the loss of 2,849 residents. Nearly 40% of all residential buildings were either damaged or destroyed during the earthquake. Earthquake survivors are living in temporary shelters where the Thingyan festival is usually held. Myoma wants its music to help earthquake survivors heal their trauma. It hopes to perform for Mandalay residents again soon. For DVB English News, I'm Nora.